Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, GMIS, the Global Manufacturing and Industrialization Summit, continues to get bigger and better every year. Our thanks to our colleagues in the United Arab Emirates for co-organizing this auspicious occasion with us. We were not entirely sure what to expect when it was decided to convene GMIS as a virtual summit. But I can honestly say that the quality of the discussions continue to get better with each passing year. The GMIS initiative has short but very impactful history. When the first summit was held in Abu Dhabi in March 2017, we gathered over 3,000 delegates from policymaking sector, private industry, academic and research community, as well as from civil society. The inaugural summit elaborated 10 consensus points addressing a wide range of fields from the fourth industrial revolution, ranging from sustainability to the role of developing countries, global value chain, climate action, and the SDGs, and much more besides. 2019 brought us to Yekaterinburg, in the Russian Federation, where we reflected on the role of nature-inspired technologies for the fourth industrial revolution. It also stressed the necessity of advanced innovation for improving industrial safety and for achieving climate resilience. GMIS 2020 was originally intended to be in Hanover, at Hannover Messe, the world's largest industrial trade fair and exhibition. Regrettably, this was rendered impossible by the outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic. However, as often is the case, technology brings the solution. The move to the summit in the cyberspace, allowing participants and spectators to view GMIS 2020 from the safety and comfort of their own homes and workplaces. Distinguished delegates, the COVID-19 pandemic has taken a huge toll on humanity in terms of physical and emotional health, the global economy, and our work and way of life. Yet it is clear that the fourth industrial revolution has not been decelerated by the COVID-19 pandemic. Indeed, it may even be accelerating. It is clear that many manufacturers and large companies are looking to avoid exposure to long value chains, and that we will see greater customization, local production, and regional trade integration as a result. Certainly, the manufacturing sector has suffered a huge hit, with industrial output declining significantly in most countries. However, once again, manufacturing has shown its indispensability to our society, whether it be through production of personal protective equipment, PPE, testing kits, enhancement of quality infrastructure. Digital technologies are also leading the way in battling the virus, whether it is the use of robotics to deliver medical supplies, 3D printing to produce emergency PPE, or artificial intelligence for contact tracing. UNIDO is also assisting project partners to upscale their capabilities in this sector. For instance, in Ghana, we helped the Food and Drugs Cosmetic Laboratory to conduct expert exchanges through smart glasses. This will help to improve accreditation and certification standards in several sectors such as food, drugs, food supplements, herbal and homeopathic medicines, veterinary medicines, and cosmetics. As we look further into the future and the achievement of the 2030 agenda, we can see that advanced manufacturing will be crucial, especially for Goal 9 on inclusive and sustainable industrialization. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, The GMIS 2020 Virtual Summit has seen the announcement of major initiatives, such as the establishment of several thematic working groups and a legacy initiative on decarbonization. It is through such mechanism that we hope to move discussion to decisive action and towards an inclusive and sustainable fourth industrial revolution. We note with anticipation the announcement of the action point to this end, and we look forward to working with all of you towards shared prosperity within the future of manufacturing. I would not like to finalize without thanking for this wonderful success to all those colleagues that worked behind the scene, and whether it was in Abu Dhabi, in Dubai, or in Vienna, thank you for the good work.